आज हम पढ़ेंगे सी फाउंडेशन अकाउंटिंग थ्योरिकल फ्रेमवर्क का चैप्टर 1 के अंदर यूनिट 1 मीनिंग एंड स्कोप ऑफ अकाउंटिंग लर्निंग आउटकम्स। आफ्टर स्टडी दिस यूनिट you would be able to understand the meaning and significance of accounting, understand the meaning of bookkeeping and the destination of accounting with a bookkeeping, appreciate the evolutionary process of accounting as a social science, explain subfield accounting, identify the various user groups for whom accounting information is to be generated, understood the relationship of accounting and e-commerce, static mathematics, law and management, explain the limitation of accounting, appreciate the England boundary of accounting profession and the areas where is a chartered accountant plays an important role of rendering useful service the society. Accounting unit overview. प्रो ऑफ अकाउंटिंग के अंदर दो फील्ड आते हैं, जनरेटिंग फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन एंड यूजिंग द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन। इसमें जनरल फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन के अंदर 3 फॉर्म होते हैं, रिकॉर्डिंग, क्लासिफाइंग एंड समराइजिंग। जिस तरह से हम अकाउंटिंग करते हैं। उसके बाद यूजिंग द फाइनेंशियल इंफॉर्मेशन, इसके अंदर एनालाइजिंग, इंटरप्रेशन और कम्युनिकेटिंग आते हैं। जिस जो डाटा को हम तैयार करते हैं उसको एनालाइज करते हैं और इंटरप्रेट करते हैं, उसे कम्युनिकेशन करते हैं। इसके ऊपर हमारा अकाउंटिंग होती है। और उसके बाद आता है आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ ट्रांजैक्शन, उस डॉक्यूमेंट को आइडेंटिफिकेशन करना। इनपुट और आउटपुट दो मेन पॉइंट होते हैं और एक होता है अकाउंटिंग साइकिल। इससे पहले हम इनपुट समझते हैं, अकाउंटिंग साइकिल समझते हैं। रिकॉर्डिंग मोर ट्रांजैक्शन इन द बुक्स ऑफ ओरिजिनल एंट्री। पहले हम एंट्रियाँ करते हैं अपनी ओरिजिनल बुक के अंदर ट्रांजैक्शन की। उसके बाद पोस्टिंग टू लेजर, तो हम लेजर क्रिएट करते हैं। उसके बाद होता है प्रिपरेशन ऑफ ट्रायल बैलेंस। उसके बाद प्रिपरेशन करते हैं हम ट्रायल बैलेंस की। और एंड में होता है हमारा प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फाइनल अकाउंट हम प्रिपेयर करते हैं। और उसके बाद जो इनपुट आउटपुट होते हैं, इसमें इनपुट होता है आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमी इवेंट एंड ट्रांजैक्शन मेजर्ड इन फाइनेंशियल टर्म एंड आउटपुट होता है कम्युनिकेशन इंफॉर्मेशन टू यूज़र। इसके अंदर 2 ऑप्शन आता है, इंटरनल और एक्सटर्नल। इंटरनल में यूज़र होता है जो बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर, पार्टनर्स, मैनेजर्स एंड ऑफिसर्स होते हैं। और एक्सटर्नल में यूजर्स होते हैं इन्वेस्टर, लैंडर, सप्लायर, गवर्नमेंट एजेंसी एंड कस्टमर्स। अब इसका हम इंट्रोडक्शन करते हैं अकाउंटिंग का। एवरी इंडिविजुअल परफॉर्म सम काइंड ऑफ इकोनॉमी एक्टिविटी। ए सैलरी पर्सन गेट सैलरी एंड स्पेंड टू बाय प्रोविजन एंड क्लोथिंग द फॉर चिल्ड्रन, एजुकेशन, कंस्ट्रक्शन of house. It's a sports club formed by a group of individual, a business by an individual or a group of individual, or a company running a businessman in telecom sector, a local authority like Kolkata Municipal Corporation, Delhi Development Authority, governments either central or state, all are carrying some kind of economic activities, not necessarily all the economic activities are run for any individual benefit. Such economic activity may create social benefit, benefits for the public at large. Anyone such economic activities are performed through transaction, and even transaction is used to mean a business performance of an art. An argument which event is used to mean a happening as a consequence of transaction, a result। थ्योरिकल फ्रेमवर्क होता है। एग्जाम्पल, एन इंडिविजुअल इन्वेस्ट 2 लाख फॉर रनिंग स्टेशनरी बिजनेस। ऑन 1 जनवरी ही परचेज गुड्स फॉर 1,15,000 एंड सेलर ऑफ 1,47,000। ड्यूरिंग द मंथ ऑफ जनवरी he pays shop rent for the month 5,000 so 500 and find that still he has goods worth 15,000 in hand, the individual perform an economic activity. He carried on a few transactions and encountered with some events. It is not logically that will want to know the result of his activity. We see the individual who run the stationery business earn a surplus of 42,000. तुमसे समझते हैं गुड सेल 1,47,000 को उसने माल बेचा है गुड्स इन हैंड और 15,000 उसका माल उसके हाथ में है 1,62,000 का माल लेफ्ट गुड्स परचेज और उसने 1,15,000 माल खरीदा था और शॉप रेंट पेड और उसने दुकान में किराया 5,000 दिया टोटल 1,20,000 सरप्लस 42,000 का अर्निंग ऑफ 42,000 सरप्लस इज इवेंट also having the inventories in hand is another event while purchase and sale of goods investment of money and paying of the rent or transaction. Similarly, municipal corporate government grant 500 lakh for adult education, spend 250 lakh for purchasing literature kit, pay 200 lakh to the tutorial and it left with the balance of 50 lakh. These are also transaction and even similarity. The central government raised money through taxes, paid salary to the employee and spent on various development activities where receipt of the government are more than expenses. It has surplus, but its expenses are more than receipt return. Defect here, rising money thought various source can be termed as transaction and surplus of benefits at the end of the accounting year. End of the accounting year can be termed as even a telecom company would need to ensure that it is providing the services for millions of users for postpaid and prepaid connection. Each activity done by the user call, message, data, user result into the economy. Economy event. The in it I need to keep appropriate the timely record to be able to collect money from postpaid connection user for the service available by them. Likewise, the company will need to ensure that prepaid connection customer are provided the support and the rights confirm how to balance still remain to be utilized. So everybody want to keep record of all transaction and event and to have adequate information about the economy activities as an aid to decision making. Accounting discipline has been developed to serve this purpose as a deal with the measurement of economy. Accounting activity involving inflow and outflow of economic resource which help to develop useful information for decision making progress. Accounting is universal application for recording transaction and event and presenting suitable information to aid decision making regarding any type of economic activity ranging from a family function to function of the national government. But herein after we sell concerned only on business activity and that accounting because the objective of this study material is to provide a basic understanding on accounting for business activity. Nevertheless, it will give acute knowledge to think coherently of accounting as field of study for universal application. The growth of accounting discipline is closely associated with the development of the business world. Those to understand accounting as a field of study for universal application, it is best identify with regarding the business transaction and communication of financial information about business and enterprises for facility decision making. Thus, aim to accounting is to meet the information need to the rational and sound decision maker and those for the language meaning of account. The committee of terminological set by the American Institute of Certified Public Account formatting the following definition of accounting in 1961. Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in significant manner and the term of money transaction and event which are a part at least of a financial character and interpretation the result or therefore is for the definition. Accounting is simply a art of recording. Keep the process of accounting start by first identifying the event and transaction which are the financial character and then be recorded in the book of accounting. Continue continuing with the same example of the telecom company which need to capture all transaction made by the user raising invoice to the customer, receipt of money, payment to a salary, marketing is likewise the individual running the stationary business would need to record all business transactions. This recording is done in journal or subsidiary books. Also now as primary books, every good recorded keeping system included suitable classification of transaction and event as well as the summarization for reading reference. For example, the telecom company perform thousands of transactions on a daily basis. Is not accepted to publish all those transactions for the user to be able to make decisions. Surely those transactions need to be summarized appropriately. एक मिनट. After the transaction event are recorded, they are transferred to secondary book. Ledger transaction and event are classified and transaction of income, expenses, assets, the liabilities account according to their character and summarize profit and loss account and balance sheet. Essentially, the transaction and event are the measured in terms of money. Measurement in terms of money mean measuring is the ruling currency of a country. For example, rupee in Indian dollar in US, and like the transaction and event must have at least in part financial character. The incidence of a new branch of a bank in is an event without having financial character, while the business disposed of by the branch is an event having financial character. Accounting also interpretation record classified and summarized transaction and event. However, the above mentioned definition does not reflect the present day accounting function. According to the above definition, accounting is the interpretation of the result of the financial transaction and even but in the modern would be diversification of management and ownership, globalization of business and social society gaining a more interest in the function the enterprises, the importance of communicating accounting result has increased. Therefore, this requirement of communicating and motivating information judgment has also become the part of account and defined in the widely accepted definition of accounting by the American Accounting Association in 1966, with related accounting is the process of identification, measure and communication economic information to permit informed judgment and decision by the user account. In 1970, the Accounting Principle Board APB of American Institute of Certified Public Account AICPA enumerated the function of accounting is follow. The function of accounting is to provide qualification information primary of function nature about economy, and then that is need to be useful is making making economic decision. Just accounting may be defined as the process of recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and attribution the financial transaction and communicating results. Therefore, of the person interested in such the above definition required counter to ensure assume a bigger response than a merely bookkeeping. Accounting need to be ready to provide the information ready for the intent user to able to make economic decision.